Hi, this is Simply Made Fancy with your tip of the week. On Sundays after church, we like to kind of relax and be laid back at home. So our snacks or kind of lunch is just in the same manner. And I like to put together kind of like a charcuterie board full of snacks and things that the kids could have throughout the time. Nothing fussy, nothing that we need to sit down. So we just leave it out and they just munch on it throughout the day until right about dinner time. So I'm gonna show you some of the things that I use and I normally have in my pantry, ready to go whenever I need them for a quick snack or charcuterie board. And these are my top favorite things, and let's do this. Let me go through it. I like to buy this antipasta from Costco. It comes in 2 packs and I freeze one. So that's another tip. Buy the 2, freeze one, and then you have the other one when you need it. This as well, I buy it at Costco, is honey in the honeycomb. Then you have some mangoes from Costco as well. Olives, fig jam, some golden berries. Whenever they're in season, I get these. Dark chocolate covered almonds from Trader Joe's. These sesame seed little crispy things. I can't remember the name now. From Trader Joe's as well. I love the crunchy chickpeas. I buy like a giant bag. I think I got these at Costco. I'm not sure where. And then the corn. These like Peruvian corns that are from Trader Joe's. And my cheeses. I try to do expensive and non-expensive cheeses. We are cheese lovers in our house and our cheese budget is a lot. So I try to mix it up with some expensive and non-expensive cheeses. So this is an inexpensive cheddar cheese. I get this at Costco. This is from Costco as well. It's a big chunk of Gouda. And these 2 are inexpensive. This one is my expensive cheese. I get this from my cheesemonger in our neighborhood. This is Willoughby. I always kind of go in and ask for a recommendation of what I'm looking for. Maybe like a flavor profile for the day that I want to try. And they always recommend something. And whatever they say, that's what I go with. I don't even taste it. I just buy it. And pretty much that's it. I love cheese, so nothing really can do wrong in my heart when it comes to cheese. And then we got a manchego, and this I buy a big block as well at Costco, which is cheaper than when I buy it somewhere else because this is an expensive cheese. It's a Spanish cheese. And you can do whatever you want with the cheeses, but this is what I have in store right now. I also picked up these crackers from Trader Joe's. You can pick up any kind of crackers. I picked these up because I wanted to try them. And then I am going to make, with the pita bread, I'm gonna grill them on my little grill and cut them into like little triangles. And I made some bruschetta or bruschetta. I don't know, I'm not that Italian, so, but this is what I made. It's super simple. It's just chopping up some tomatoes, making sure that you get a little bit of the liquid out of the tomato and no seeds if you can't do that. Then you put some garlic and onion, salt, pepper, a little bit of lemon, and I put the pesto from Costco in there, and that's pretty much it. So now I'm ready to assemble everything and put it together in a nice way because I like to see pretty things on my plate. So I'm gonna grill my bread and do that and then put everything together. Ready, and now my boys are gonna come running down the stairs and devour this, and myself included. If you enjoyed this tip of the week, make sure that you like and subscribe and check out some of my other videos. Bye everybody!